the Hasegawa 1 to 200 scale Boeing 747-400. The kit comes in hard grey plastic with weights provided to keep the nose wheel down at the front when the kit is made. Instead of having clear windows, I decided to fill them in and use the decals that would provide passenger window frames. These are the Northwest Airlines decals provided in the kit, but I obtained the Wellington Old Master decals for the Air New Zealand Boeing 747s that operated in the 1970s and 80s in New Zealand. I chose the scheme for Altair, one of the aircraft that flew on a regular service to Japan in the 1980s. Sit back and enjoy the build. Thank you.